I'm Elizabeth Winterbottom, and welcome to 11 Hawthorne Road. This completely renovated 4-bedroom colonial has an easy-flowing floor plan, beautiful architectural details, and is located in the wonderful Knollwood section of Short Hills. Enter into the spacious foyer, and you're introduced to the elegant living room with a wood-burning fireplace and an adjoining formal dining room with a beautiful bay window, as well as a first-floor office. Along the back, you'll find a fabulously renovated kitchen with an eating area and step-down family room where friends and family will gather. The state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen has cherry cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel professional-grade appliances, and a marble-topped center island. French doors provide easy access to landscaped backyard, private patio, and garage. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The primary suite has a wall of custom closets and a renovated ensuite bath with glass shower. The guest room features its own private half bath, while the other 2 bedrooms share the hall bath. On the lower level, find a fabulous recreation room, laundry room, full bath with steam shower, and tons of storage. Step outside to find the private patio and lush level property, perfect for indoor-outdoor enjoyment. This neighborhood is its own enclave, known for amazing trick-or-treating, bike riding, and playing, and is ideally located within easy walking distance to downtown Millburn and near all the top-rated Millburn schools, including Hawthorne Elementary. Best yet, 11 Hawthorne Road is in the heart of all that Millburn Short Hills has to offer, including a town pool, par 3 golf course, extensive rec programs, and the South Mountain Reservation with over 2,000 acres of hiking trails. There's a great downtown with fabulous boutiques, a Starbucks, and delicious dining options, including the famous Millburn Deli. This wonderful home is less than 1 mile to both the Millburn and Short Hills train stations for easy access to New York City. For more information on this wonderful home, please contact the Elizabeth Winterbottom Team.